Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see some basics about sketching. First, I start by drawing lightly as this is a rough sketch. If I am not satisfied with the sketch, I can erase and redraw without making any dark pencil mark left on the paper. Thus, we have drawn the outline of an apple. This type of drawing, that is drawing only the outline, is called contour line art. Next, we have to define the inside of the object using lines. We are adding several lines to indicate the direction and shape of the inner part of the apple. These lines that I am drawing are called cross contour lines. These contour lines helps us in shading. While shading, each stroke should be made in the direction of the contour lines. This is an important point to be practiced while shading. I want you to remember 3 things that should be followed while drawing the outline of the apple. Don't hold the pencil in a tight grip. Gripping tightly forces dark marks onto the paper, while holding it loosely results in lighter lines. Also, note down that to hold the pencil farther up from the tip area, that is, don't hold the pencil near the tip point. And remember to move your entire arm across the page to make a mark on the paper, which enable us to create straight lines or smooth curves more easily. Let us move on to shading part. So while shading, I have a practice of moving from light value to dark values. So I start shading lightly, leaving the highlight area white as the paper. I vary the pressure on the pencil depending on the shade I need. That is, I give light pressure on the pencil for light shade and vice versa. Observation is the key element for any drawing or painting. So, practice to observe any object very keenly and note down the dark areas, medium dark, and light areas. After observing all the dark, light, and medium areas, replicate what you saw in your artwork. One of the main benefit of pencil sketching is that if you gone too darker in any part, you can erase it and make it light, which is not possible when painting with watercolor. Don't add any dark outline around your drawing to define the edges. When the shading becomes deeper, The original outline of the drawing should begin to blend in with the shadows. I have shared all the basic knowledge that is needed for pencil drawing and shading. Hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more drawing lessons.